Alright, we are doing Dragon Firecracker Jade. We got $100 in.
For spin magic. No. We never played this one before.
Now this one's a new one. Oh, the blue one just went up for double games. Woof, Mr. Purple Dragon Jackpot. Got a $1,000 major though. That's pretty nice.
So is those wilds maybe?
Looks like those are wilds. Got a cute little piggy holding a pot. Come on, Blue, go off.
Okay, so those make them go up.
He went up.
Boats? No.
Oh, we got kings.
Okay. See if we can get a bonus.
Purple dragon, go off. Thank you.
Thank you.
Big Trish ordered two?
Two white Russians.
Oh, did you?
Come on, Blue. I want Blue one to go off.
Well, I want any to go off to see.
Fishies. Nice, babe. Where's all our dragon faces?
I don't know. Ooh. Are those wild?
Yes. Those are, I believe, are wild. We got
Oh,
$4.
Another
There's
lined
those
up.
lined up. Still don't got no dragon faces though. Little upside down hearts or leaves or whatever those are.
Butt cheeks.
But cheekies. What? Oh, looks like the dragons are wild too.
Okay. For a minute I thought, oh, those aren't wild. Now the lady behind us is getting,
Oh, I thought he was gonna go off.
the lady next to me is getting tons of those like squares, stars.
Wow.
All right. She's getting a bonus beside us. Oh, we're missing a
What?
piggy in the middle. Shaky, shaky.
Something.
I don't know, but it has a
Come on,
shaky,
purple.
shaky.
Go off, Fred.
He just went up more.
But cheekies.
I think the stars might be wild.
Piggies.
Yeah. Okay, a little bit more than our bet back.
maxed out. We're not hitting anything.
No?
What?
He's like, no. 52 cents.
What's a firecrackers?
We need a little something. Uh-oh, babe.
Whoop. I bumped the thingy by mistake.
Maybe we should stay at the 2 cent. What? Nope.
$1.08. Biggies.
Where's our shaky or something, babe?
I don't know. Does this even have a shaky shake?
I have no idea. I haven't played this game before.
I want to know where all my dragon heads are. Come on, dragon firework heads. Oh, piggies.
Oh,
Oh, nice.
it's our first good hit, man.
No. Wow.
We'll take it.
Definitely.
All
Wow,
right.
26 bucks. Go off. Go off. Go off, go off, go off.
I wonder if you...
Go off? I think he went off. He went off, Winnie.
All right.
We got double fire. 8 free games. You ready?
Ready?
See what we get. Ooh, that's cool.
Okay.
Oh, he's launching fireworks. Wild, wild. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, honey. That's gotta be huge.
Are you gonna throw anything? Oh, yellow. What's the yellow face
I
for?
don't know.
Oh, come on.
Where's our fireworks? Oh, fishies and kings.
What's that?
I don't know.
Okay.
Last one.
Come on, lots of fireworks, please. I wonder what that is. Wow.
$283, babe.
That's pretty good.
Red, purple,
Go ahead, do it.
double pop would be awesome.
Well, let's bump it up a little bit. See if maybe. Oh, too bad that wasn't wild.
Swap. Oh, aces.
Okay.
Swap.
Come on, jackpot. Piggies?
Nines and piggies.
Go up. Oh, for a second there, I thought he was going to. He's like, okay.
Swap.
Is it fishies? Oh,
And
jacks.
jacks.
Almost our bet back.
Oh, fishies.
Queens.
Wow. $6. Oh, we need some dragon. Oh, aces. Need some dragon heads.
Yeah. We'll just do two. Too bad that wasn't the wild symbol.
Got nothing lined up. What? Oh, we got the jackpot.
Okay, we want major or grand. Oh, 10 free
10
games?
free games. All right, here we go. Wow, that's so cool. Ace.
No? Come on. Blockers. I want to see what that yellow head does.
Not getting
Oh, my
anything to line
goodness.
up.
I wonder
Oh, we
what
got some aces.
Oh. I want to see what that yellow head does. Do you have to get like 2 or 3 of them or
I'm
something?
gonna guess you have to get 3 of them. Oh my gosh, we need more of those gem thingies.
There we go.
And minor for $50. Woohoo!
Okay. Oh, and that's wild, right? Oh, jacks. All the way across.
Oh, twice. Oh no. Yeah.
All the way across all 3 of them.
Oh wow. So $50 plus. We still got we only need 2 more for the mini.
We've got 2 more spins.
down to 300.
I don't think the fishies.
Walk.
It's like, go, do it now. Piggies. All right.
Walk. Walk, walk. Double.
Any 3 or more can set it
Oh,
off.
they both went up a little bit.
Games. See if we can build them up a little bit.
Jacks. Walk.
I just wanted to see if they get bigger on the 88 cents.
Oh, he went up one. Fishies.
Do it. It'd be nice if it went off one more time on a good one.
Yes, it would. Wasted Wild.
Yeah. We needed a while down there. Too bad there was that one right there.
Look at our little heads.
I don't know. Oh, another one.
Oh, wilds.
I want to see what that yellow head does.
Walk.
Oh, he went up another one. I don't know, babe. I don't think we're going to get him to go off again.
No, I don't think we are.
Would have been nice to see the double games. 2 more.
He hasn't even wanted to go off though.
No.
Last one, babe.
Okay.
Is that it?
I think so. Let's cash it.
Let's cash it.
Thanks for watching.
Please like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell.